So next we have common chart for today. What it basically shows us is in the right latest year sales, in the left minimum previous year sales. So based on like whichever sales is more, it will be just the head will be somewhat bigger than the other head. And also in between whatever we are saying, the length is basically the difference in sales between the each year. Let's see like how to make this. So first to get that, we have to get the maximum year sales. We will just write a calculated field, max year sales. So to get that, if year of order sale is equal to, since we are using like max LOD, directly it gives us the maximum in the data source level. Okay. To get the prior year sales, so year of order date is equal to max year order date minus 1. So in that way, for example, if maximum order date is, maximum year is 2020, since you are subtracting 1 from that, now it will take 2019. So also 2019, so now it will execute the if condition. If year of order date is 2019, then it will show the sales. In that way we will get the prior year sales. But unfortunately in the data source, max year is not 2020, it's something like 2018 or 19. I'm not sure about that. Okay, now we will drop the subcategory in rows, then max year sales in columns. Prior year sales somewhere like this. So we'll get measure values and measure names. Okay, so now we will pull the measure names to line. Okay, maybe convert this into line and pull the measure names in path. Sort descending field max year sales. Okay, we have sorted it out. Now we have to pull the measure names in size. Awesome.
I think you missed the measure names from path.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, okay. So now if you see, it's showing like prior year sales, the headed ones. If you want to edit that to max year sales, obviously we can like edit sizes here, and if you want to show reversed, we can just click that for max. So in that case, now you can see max year sales will have the biggest head and prior year sales will have the small head. So it looks reversed. Now if you want to differentiate between the year over year growth, when I mean year over year growth compared to prior year sales, if we have like better sales or not, to differentiate that, we can just create one more field, create calculator for sign. So instead of writing if difference is greater than 0, less than 0, all those, I got to know today like we can use one function known as sign. So what it does is it will automatically like distinguish the field whether it's positive or negative. So you can see returns the sign of number 1 if the number is positive, 0 if it is 0, and negative if it is less than -1. Earlier how I used to do this is if profit greater than 0 then true, else false, like that. In this function, with this function directly we can just get the sign without writing much salad field. So to get the difference, max year sales minus prior year sales. Okay, sign. So currently we can see the blue ones are like which has like positive year-over-year growth, and the other one is the one which we have like negative year-over-year growth. So these two charts I add for today. I also plan to demonstrate this battery chart, but unfortunately I couldn't complete that. Maybe in next week I'll try to cover battery chart and some more charts in the next session. Yeah.
Hey, nice work, Jairam.
Yeah.
Battery one looks very exciting, and the Comet is also very good.